Hello, today I will show you how to create a virtual host on WAMP. First of all, open WAMP server. Now click on WAMP icons. Go to your virtual host and click on virtual host management. On the first field, insert the website address. For now, I will use mywebsite.com and the path of the folder of your project. Right click and copy. And paste. And create the virtual host. Now I must restart my DNS service. You have to right click on WAMP icon, go to Tools, and Restore DNS. Now let's check if this website is working from my local host. Here it's work. Now I will show you how to remove the host. Here are the available projects. All you have to do is to click on Suppress Virtual Host 4 and select your project you want to delete. Thanks for watching.